My name is Rob. I'm a TV and film lecturer and a journalism lecturer. I work in further education and also in higher education for the degrees that we run here at Nottingham College. This floor is just freshly built, so the computers that have gone in are running at about 32 gig of RAM, which means they're very fast, which is what's needed when you're using large files such as 4K or 6K or even Ultra HD. The courses that are coming into this floor will be film and television. We'll also be accommodating journalism. We'll also have access to media. We've also got photography that are coming up here, although the studios are on the second floor. We currently run a foundation degree, and we're looking at moving into going to a full BSc, which is a Bachelor of Science. So it's 3 years, which is ideal for somebody that would be better off in an environment where there's less students. There's smaller groups, so we can walk you through stuff. If you're not understanding, you're feeling down or whatever, we've got achievement coaches, we've got everything there to support you to make sure that you have a good experience. And yeah, we've got the qualifications and the experience to pass knowledge on to you of how to get into the industry. And what we intend to do here is stretch out the commercial arm. We've already had Left Lion in. We're looking at Real Talk TV. We're looking at the Commonwealth to bring projects in here that our students can then crew, and they get to use the high-tech technology and make great commercial stuff and potentially adverts and all that sort of stuff. Our students crew it, so the work experience will be here and invaluable for them, for their CV.